It's inevitable. Asphalt and concrete surfaces are going to fail. By far, the biggest contributor to this is water. Patching picks up where crack sealing left off. When cracks are no longer singular but instead occur in groups, it's time to patch. We begin with saw cutting or roto-milling the edges of the designated patch area so that the edges of the finished patch are straight. If a failed area is narrow, 2 to 4 feet, then the mill will be used exclusively to grind off the top 2 to 4 inches. Next, we use digging equipment, typically a skid steer, to dig out the area, removing the asphalt from the underlying layer of rock. After the rock base has been exposed, we use a vibrating roller to compact the rock. Compaction is vital because proper compaction prevents future settlement. We backfill the area with hot base mix asphalt and roll it for compaction for every 3 inches of mix we install. Each 3-inch layer of asphalt we install is known as a lift. If we did not install asphalt and lifts, the finished surface after time would be bumpy and wavy if it didn't fail altogether. It is therefore critical that each layer be level and rolled thoroughly. When the base mix layer is finished, we pave the top of the patch with 2 inches of commercial mix and roll. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, the edges of the patch are sealed with either hot rubberized crack filling material or a liquid asphalt gravel mixture. This final crucial step helps keep the water out.